send the petition to President Trump. Rob Dawson, Fox News.
It was a wet spring in central Vermont.
God damn it, Haley! The guy pushed me in the damn road!
Get over,
get off!
Population of the northern
Get off!
leopard frog has
Get off!
100-fold in
Get off! Son of a bitch! Get off! Get over! Get off! I'm okay! Get off!
Lawns and they're getting crushed by cars
Fucking
across the world.
shit! Oh, get off!
James Andrews
Get off! The guy came, that white car came and hit me! Almost!
On the side of the road in the town of Salisbury. There's some good news here. Plenty of food for the local fish, ducks, hawks, owls, skunks, and any other wildlife.
Son of a bitch!
Snack. John Saucier, Fox News.
And from Fox News Channel, Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot called for a live microphone earlier.